On October 2, 2023, a trial is scheduled in the New York Attorney General's case against the Trump Organization, Donald Trump Jr., Ivanka Trump, and Eric Trump. The defendants, who have denied all charges, are accused of making over 200 false and misleading valuations between 2011 and 2021, according to allegations made by AG Letitia James, who claimed that the pattern of fraud that was used by Mr. Trump and the Trump Organization was astounding. If the business and family are found to be at fault, the state has requested a $250 million monetary fine as well as a lifetime ban on business operations for the former President Jr., Ivanka, and Eric. Because of how embarrassing that outcome would be for the Trump family, both Don Sr. and his eldest daughter have requested a postponement of the start date. The ex and president's current presidential candidate legal team has countered that it would take 11,000 hours to review the evidence and that the trial should be postponed by 6 months. How about Ivanka? Her defense team adopted a slightly different strategy. Her father and brothers are among the other individuals charged in the case, so this seems. The impression from The Independent was that the former first daughter threw her siblings and dad under the bus in a rather awkward manner. Leaving that aside, it's also rather strange that her attorneys are asserting that there is not a single allegation in the lawsuit that Ms. Trump directly or indirectly created, prepared, reviewed, or certified any of her father's financial statements, even though the AG's office has categorically charged her with participating in the alleged fraud. In the lawsuit, James' office argues that all 3 Trump children knowingly participated in the scheme. Ivanka's involvement in obtaining loans to purchase properties in Florida and Chicago in 2012, loans that were granted in part as a result of false financial statements, is specifically mentioned in the lawsuit. The lawsuit states that Ms. Trump was aware that each of those transactions with Deutsche Bank included a personal guarantee from Mr. Trump that called for him to submit yearly statements of financial condition and certifications. Other references in the lawsuit include the ground lease agreement the Trump Organization secured for its hotel in Washington, which was captained by Ivanka Trump, and Mr. Trump's statements were crucial to their effort to win the bid. In any case, it's unclear at this point whether the trial will be postponed by persuading the judge presiding over the case. The core of this case is very simple. Plaintiff claims that defendants submitted false financial statements to third parties, he wrote in a letter made public on Friday. What's in question are their allegedly false documents and actions. There are more than 7 months until October 2, 2023. And given everything that has been accomplished to date, he continued, I see no reason to change my determination to begin the trial on that day.